All right, my loves, today we are getting into a completely glueless unit. She is wet, she is wavy, she is big hair friendly. Okay, she has all the things. I actually was a little bit annoyed at the start of this video, but she came all the way around. And I can't wait for you guys to see how we got her to look like this.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another one from Nadula Hair. I'm really surprised about this because I was under the impression that this unit would be a body wave wig. So now that I'm seeing it and it's a Jerry curl wig, I'm kind of thrown off. So fun fact, when you guys see the wig, is really most of the time when I see the wig too, when I'm pulling her out the pack, I'll check, but admittedly, I'm just kind of vibing. You know what I mean? So this is, let me check the details, a unit from Nadula Hair. It was definitely supposed to be a body wave wig. I'm like really annoyed because I kind of just did a unit very similar to this by the same company, and I hate to do that to y'all. So let me think. I might have to style her up a bit differently just to give her like a vibe for y'all. Because that's just the type of, I'm not going to have y'all out here watching my videos the same I'm not going to have y'all doing it. So this is a ready to wear, grab and go, throw her on and keep it moving wig. Okay? I'm saying all that to say that. This unit, Nadula Hair so graciously provided us with some goodies. Ooh, a lot of goodies. I want to start with this one, the edge brush. When y'all stopped putting the edge brushes in the boxes, I was so disappointed. Hurt to the core because I love this. This is a phenomenal gift. We have our band for our lace, but we ain't going to need it because we're not using no goddamn glue today. Not near, not a bit, okay? We have our translucent caps. We got 2 of these in the box, as well as our little goodie bag with the brush, band, okay, lashes, and another cap. They also provided us with a Nadula Be Confident, Be Bold, Be You wig bag. We have a Nadula pin, which I love. I might try to leverage that today. And last but not least, we have our Nadula robe. Branded, down to the sides. So let me just throw this unit on and see what she's working with. It was definitely supposed to be about a wig. And I'm telling you all the truth. I had to go back in my email and say, hold up. When did this become a Jerry curl wig? Like, I'm confused. But why am I walking around here looking like a pirate with one earring? Okay. I'm shiny like a glaze on it because I just did skincare. And I'm like putting this on in real time because they say this grab and go heifer. And we're going to put them to the test. So let me tell you about the details before I throw her on. She has 2 combs on the side. Can you see the combs? 1, 2. She has 1 in the back. Okay, no adjustable straps here. But they do have this band at the bottom to make sure that it really does secure at the back of your head. And then they also have the band to make sure when we say this is glueless, sis, we mean this is glueless. So what I'm going to do is adjust the band. Okay? Because I want her to be tight. So I've kind of put her at like the halfway mark. And I'm just going to throw her on my head. Go. So she definitely needs to be darkened up. I wasn't certain about that. But this is the lace. It's a 6 by 4. Okay. By 4.5 just about. Lace front wig. Okay. Let's see how much she's going for. Going for just under $300. Which is fascinating because I just did a 13 by 4 that's going for less. So also Nadula Hair, also should check them out, okay? So she's really pretty. I'm going to go on through and darken her up first. Wow. How cute the video is done. It's funny because let me know in the comments. I really want to do a video, start doing a series with no makeup. Like just putting these wigs on, showing you guys what they look like with no makeup. Let me know, do you prefer me being beat down? That's okay. That's okay. Or do you want to see some options? Everybody's not a beat girl like me. Everybody, you know, we have different levels of ways we could beat our face, and I can dig that. But let me know if that's something that you're interested in. And I'll start showing you guys these wigs without any makeup too, and do like a little series. So this looks phenomenal. She's definitely a wear and go. But just for the sake of the fact that I just did a unit like this, I'm gonna have to judge her for y'all and figure something out. We're gonna figure something out because I'm not gonna keep. We're gonna get creative and figure out a style. Let me think about it. Tussle with it, and I'm gonna see you on the other side. Co-wash the hair using my Aussie conditioner. I'm just gonna go on through. She is meant to be worn glueless, and we're gonna treat her just like that. Okay. Easy breezy, beautiful Nadula hair. So I'm just gonna go on through with my clamp. Excuse me, my adjustable band. I really kind of want to try a side part. So I'm just going to shift her a bit to the side. There you go. Look at that. All right, my loves, we are done. This is the Grab and Go, Wear and Go unit from Nadula Hair. She's a 6 by 4.5 lace front wig. Okay, lace closure wig. Let me be real specific. So what I did here, even though this lace is large enough for me to just have had done like a lace parting situation on the side, I really knew I wanted like a specific look. So I just shifted her, okay? Big ups to Dream Girls. We just shifted Adina so she could really look like something. So I shifted this unit. She is wet and co-washed. I'm using my coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse by Shea Moisture to get this unit all the way together. She's looking wet and slick. I'm really kind of into this look. I'm also into this top. I don't know where the top came from. It was in my drawer. And I'm like, oh, okay, blue. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back of the hair. I'm going to brush it first because I feel some tracks. But let me know if you see my tracks in the back. Can you see them? Okay, I'll be right back. Beautiful to the touch. The hair feels really, really nice. She is a bit more expensive than a Jerry Curl unit I just did. So that kind of makes me like, side eye. But I'm not sure why. Like, outside of the technology, being 6 by 4.5, the other one is 13 by 4. So, I just ran up the stairs. So there's that. So let me turn around so you guys can see the back. I hope you can't see my wagon. Can you see the back of the hair? What do you guys think? She is truly glueless. Okay? Truly glueless. I'm just like really, really happy with how this turned out. I really do love this closure technology that they're doing. This is a very large closure. I love it. I love the amount of space that they give you of lace. See that? I love that amount of space. Okay? This unit really does feel secure, almost too secure. It's giving small head friendly. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, like I do have her behind my ears, but she is snugged in a bug in a rug. Now, it's important to note that I do have the band adjusted to the middle. So that might have something to do with it. Now, I don't know how y'all feel, but I'm feeling mother, okay? Bust down. Make sure you are ready for the Nadula hair sale, okay? This unit is phenomenal. She comes with that breathable cap. So you can go on through, make sure you get her all the way together and you can scratch. Get right on up in there, honey. So you can get right on up in here. I really do love this. Like, I really, really do. I don't have any issues with this. She did not require a lot. Very easy to get done. And that was the point of this whole entire video. Easy peasy lemon squeezy with Nadula hair. Okay, so if you have not already, bust down. I am your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.